Most structured literacy tutors don't burn out because of teaching. They burn out because of policies, and almost no one talks about that. In my first year of tutoring, I genuinely believed that strong instruction would carry everything. If I was well trained, well prepared, deeply committed, the rest would just work itself out. It didn't. Within months, I was navigating cancellations, stacked makeup sessions, very awkward conversations about payment, and emails beginning with just a quick question, which were never quick. None of it was malicious. It was just undefined. And undefined becomes negotiable. Strong instruction teaches literacy. Strong structure sustains your practice. And if you don't have structure, you are carrying unnecessary risk of burnout. Most tutor burnout doesn't start with instruction, it starts with unclear expectations. When your policies live in your head, instead of in a defined onboarding system, you become the interpreter. Every family, every question, every situation, your calendar becomes flexible, and not in a yoga kind of way. Makeup sessions quietly expand your week, scope creep happens, and if you're not familiar with that term, it simply means the work slowly expands beyond what was originally agreed upon. Tutoring becomes tutoring and consulting and texting and emailing and homework help and case management. And you're still charging for just a session. Strong instruction doesn't protect you from that. Structure does. My first tutoring agreement was 1 page. 1 page. I genuinely thought that was sufficient. In reality, it was optimistic at best. It took about 6 months to realize that 1 page was not going to hold up against real life scheduling, real life payment issues, and all the communication things that need to come up when you don't have clear policies. So I started refining. After every awkward conversation or situation, I adjusted something. After every cancellation conflict, I clarified something. After every policy confusion, I rewrote something. Over time, that 1 page became a full onboarding process. Not dramatic, not aggressive, just clear. And something really interesting happened. When expectations were written clearly, families relaxed. I relaxed. There was less tension, not more. Teacher training prepares you to teach. It does not prepare you to run a private tutoring practice. No one teaches you how to structure enrollment, how to define makeup policies, how to clarify communication boundaries, how to collect payments without feeling like you've betrayed your calling. Teachers are trained to serve. We are not trained to invoice. That identity conflict is real. But here's the shift. Professional structure does not make you cold. It makes you sustainable. And sustainability protects your ability to serve students for the long term. When you have a defined onboarding and documentation system, you're not negotiating expectations every month. You're not rewriting the same policy email every week. You're not absorbing unpaid labor quietly. You are not working 5 extra days a month to accommodate makeups. Instead, families know what to expect. You know what to expect. The boundaries are visible. Structure protects both tutors and families. It does not create distance. It creates clarity. And clarity builds trust. Over the last 11 years of tutoring, I've refined my entire workflow from the client inquiry all the way to instruction. Not because I love paperwork, but because I love sustainability. I keep hearing structured literacy tutors ask, how do you handle cancellations? Do you charge for missed sessions? What do you say when a parent pushes back? How much do you charge? The instructional side of structured literacy is rigorous. The operational side should not feel chaotic. So I redesigned my full onboarding and documentation process into a professional framework, specifically for structured literacy tutors running private practices. Running your tutoring practices on vibes and goodwill alone, and I say that with love, will not work long term. That said, you don't need to learn all of this the hard way. You can start with clarity. I'll link the professional onboarding system below, and whether you use mine or you build your own, please do not try to sustain your tutoring business without structure. Strong instruction teaches reading. Strong structure sustains your business practice.